Marble floors add style and a sense of luxury to any facility. However, failure to properly maintain marble can quickly transform a surface from luxurious to drab and unsightly. Too often, removing scratches and restoring gloss to marble involve the expensive and labor-intensive process of diamond honing. MRP, Marble Restoration Paste, the most aggressive chemical-based marble restoration solution on the market today, easily removes light scratches and restores gloss on surfaces that did not respond to other traditional polishes or crystallizers, resulting in a marble surface with a high gloss and free of light scratches or worn-out high-traffic spots.